Alright guys, welcome to White Noise. This is for Halloween because Halloween specials are like the best thing ever. And my dog wants to get on my couch. Alright, come on. Alright. I don't want to do this. Fucking terrible at Halloween. Scary games. This is the only scary game I have. That just tells you right off the bat that I fucking am terrible at these. Oh great, it's a dildo. Alright. Anyway, it's basically just a Slender clone. Why is there two dildos on this map? I've had this for like 3 years now. Not even 3 years. I haven't had my Xbox that long. I want to say this is like a year of owning this game now. Oh great, my big dog's there. He's gonna ruin everything. I think. Would you get out? Get out! No! Or you can lay down right there, that's fine. I think I'm safe until I get the first recording. Because I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna play this on the hardest difficulty on there. Just to make it more exciting. Like I said, it's a Slender clone. They're gonna find 8 blanks, and there isn't a blank here. Great. You gotta find 8 things, and then yeah, the monster chases you. And let me tell you this is just the way this fucking thing looks. It's scary but funny at the same time. I don't like that. I hear whispering. I've never... Okay, the reason why I don't get scared when I'm playing this with my friends is because, like, I always have my headset in, so I'm always, like, talking with them and laughing. Sometimes I do get scared. But that's besides the point. But, like... Should I move the table, like... Should I, like, move away from this? God damn it. Alright, there you go. Hopefully I don't knock over the table. So... Oh. I really can't find this. I just did a circle. Alright, let's go this way. She's choking on the chalk. Alright, oh, there should be one here. Hello? Hello? Mr. Recorder? Oh, there you are, yeah. Basically, he's just telling us to get the fuck out of here. Alright. Alright, we're good. We're good. I feel like someone wants to buy me. Oh, sell me real estate or some shit. I forgot what it was. I feel like someone wants to sell me a vacation. Oh, no one does. Okay, fuck you. I wanted a vacation. Oh, okay, second one, yeah. How come I'm finding them all now? Alright, boop. Not gonna lie, this is extremely unsettling. Like right now, I love playing this with my friends. Those weren't even real. Anyway. Monster? No? No monster? We good? We good. Yeah. That lag. Oh god, that means she just spawned in. Hey buddy. Who are you? Who are you? Huh? Who are you? What are you doing? That's a fucking ghost. I didn't even know this game did that. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna follow you around. Let's go. Yeah. With the breathing, I hope you guys hear that. I don't like it. He's just stationary, like, ew. Oh, yeah, third one. Yay, third one, yeah. Yeah. That ghost is scared the shit out of me. Alright. I want this thing to spawn, but I don't want it to spawn like right in my face. I want it to spawn like 20 million feet away from me, but we can see it. Like over there and that over there would be cool. Fuck off. Fuck off. Do not scream. Do not fucking... Fuck me. That's him, by the way. Oh shit, that made me shake so bad. That made me shake. I'm sorry if you guys want to see like a face camera or anything. Like, I can't even have this room lit up. Yeah, and he's following us. Perfect. No, Terracotta Warriors. This room will always have one. I'm pretty sure. Like a fire blast, you wish it. We run this shit like the shoes on my feet. So. Fuck you! Sorry. Like, when I'm actually trying to do this alone, it's scary as fuck. And the like, noise that it doesn't help. Fuck, I forgot that battery dies when you see him too many times. Yeah. We're halfway done. And he's getting closer. Eunice. Don't spawn in front of me. Don't fucking spawn in front of me. Don't you fucking dare spawn in front of me. I'm like sitting back now. I don't like this. I feel like someone wants to sell me chocolate. No? Okay. Oh god. I should probably put like warning seizures. I can't do that because I can't edit good. I mean, we all saw the editing video. I don't know what I was trying to do. I don't like how the music progressively picked up. Oh yeah, and if you see like my thing like doing that, it's because my thing's broken. Alright. Fuck everything else going right for that. We're almost done. Wow. You know, we're gonna go this way. Fuck you. Fuck you, fuck. Okay, nope, we're not going that way. Great. Is he still behind us? No, he's not behind us. Alright, we're good now. Oh god, he's getting close. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, he's right there. Fuck, run. He's gonna tickle us. He's gonna fucking tickle us. We just needed 3 more. No, we just need 3 more. We fucking... Fuck you. Holy shit, run. I'm only like scared because like I actually want to do this and beat it. I've never beaten it by myself before. Holy shit, run. Holy shit. Fucking so close, I can like hear it. Fucking holy shit. I like fucking jumped back so I like held my head and everything. Oh my fucking god. My heart's beating so fast, I can't feel my legs. Oh god. Well guys, that is it for this episode. It felt amazing. I fucking love being scared. Oh god. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know I enjoyed doing it. So, I don't know. Do you guys want more of this? Or like making a little picture? What are we drawing? Actually, let's see what we draw here. Yeah, look at that. Scribbles. You know, I'll just fucking say what I was gonna say over it. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like and share it. If you guys want more of me just pissing my pants like a little baby, I don't know, share it, comment, leave a like, fucking message me because half of you guys know me. So anyway, I'll try to find more scary games if you guys want. And yeah, we died right about there. Boom. Oh yeah, by the way, this is White Noise Online. It's $1 at the games place stuff. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.